Alright, here we go, part 2. We're going to put this bad boy back together. Beautiful. There weren't any wires down underneath that little mold. Okay. Still no solder there. I love my screwdrivers. Made in Germany. Had them 30 years. I bought these screwdrivers right when I started doing technician work. A lifetime warranty. I've had them replaced. I've had the tips ground down. And that basically is what you do. You send them out with the tips ground down. This is quite short compared to what it was when it was new, but it's a Paladin screwdriver. It's a Paladin made in Germany. Doesn't have the number, but they did when they first came out, and they also made a clear handled one. Different grade. So there we go, that looks beautiful. Alright, good, let's fire it up. Antenna. We're gonna need a record player here. We need a spot to hook the record player. Set the record player up. Test this bad boy out. Alright, we know the cable company supplies really nice phono cables. That's what that looks like. Phono. Right. This is a record player. This is the amp. I don't have a dim bulb tester. I trust everything is perfect. Oh.
Another code to win is coming up on Drive Home at the 5 o'clock hour. Hang on, mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better. This Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, firesides blazing bright. Is NPR News. A squirrel nervously.
So I elegantly swiveled my backpack into my front pack, unzipped as slowly as possible, reached into the bag, and as I was pulling out my notebook, the squirrel looked at me like, "Oh no you don't, you cat dressed as a human," and tipped away, as they do, which might be a small but useful lesson on the differences, or perhaps the consequences, of acquiring versus being with, or in, or of the delight.
Welcome to Ideas. I'm Nala Ayed. Squirrel in a Pumpkin is one of the 81 mini essays in Ross Gay's The Book of More Delights, following the success of his 2019 bestseller, The Book of Delights.
Well, let's do
Not
this.
delights on a large scale, like receiving a lavish gift or your favorite team winning a championship. No, these are moments, flashes of wonderment, connection, pleasure, and human goodness in the quotidian flow of life. A praying mantis seeming to dance on the lip of a pint glass. The kindness of a flight attendant. A sunflower growing out of a crack in the pavement. Things that might pass unnoticed unless care is taken to let.
Alright, let's do this. What is this? Moody Blues. We know what the Moody Blues is supposed to sound like. Let's hear it. $33 and a third. best ball. Yeah, thank you. Alright, let's go. Oh, we got nothing. We got the wrong setup here, bro. Not quite sure.
Beauty outdoors with these eyes before. Just what the truth is, I can't say anymore, 'cause I love you. Yes, I love you. Gazing at people, some hand in hand, just what I'm going through, they can understand. Some try to tell me thoughts they cannot defend. Just what you want to be, you will be in the end. And I love you. Yes, I love you. Never reaching the end. Never mean to say.
Behind the scenes, he's gonna put, your screensaver is gonna be like a bunch of pieces. What did he do? What did he do?
Torchlights fade from every room. Bedsitter people look back and lament. Another day's useless energy spent. Impassioned lovers wrestle as one. Lonely man cries for love he has known. New mother picks up and settles her son. Senior citizens wish they were young. Cold-hearted orb that rules the night removes the colours from our sight. Red is grey and yellow white, but we decide which is right and which is an illusion.
All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's the old dual test. The bit goes over and shuts off. Thank you very much. Please do that.
The drive home is gonna be dark, so.
There it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe.